In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed Excel charts in a slide in PowerPoint step by step. If you want to present data professionally and make your slides more dynamic, using charts directly inside PowerPoint is one of the best ways to do it. The great thing is that PowerPoint lets you edit the data using an Excel sheet right inside the program, so you get full flexibility without switching between multiple files. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the formatting tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to insert the chart. Once you're on the correct slide, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains everything you need to add objects like images, shapes, tables, and of course charts. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group. In that section, click on Chart. As soon as you click it, a new window called the Insert Chart dialog box will appear. This is where you choose the type of chart you want to use for your data. On the left-hand side of the dialog box, you'll see different chart categories, such as column, line, pie, bar, area, and more. For this tutorial, click on Column. Once you select Column, you'll see different column chart variations displayed on the right-hand side. Now click on Clustered Column. This is one of the most commonly used chart types because it clearly compares values across categories. After selecting Clustered Column, click on OK. Immediately, PowerPoint will insert the chart directly into your slide. At the same time, an Excel sheet will automatically open. Don't worry, this is completely normal. PowerPoint uses this embedded Excel sheet to manage and edit the chart's data. In the Excel window, you'll see sample data already filled in. You can now edit this data to match your own information. Simply click inside each cell and replace the default values with your own numbers and category names. As you update the data in Excel, you'll see the chart in PowerPoint update automatically in real time. This makes it very easy to visualize your changes instantly. You can also add more rows or columns if needed by dragging the small blue corner at the bottom right of the selected data range. This expands the chart's data source and allows you to include more information. Once you're done editing your data, you can close the Excel sheet. You don't need to save it separately because the data is embedded directly into your PowerPoint file. Now that your chart is in place, let's make it look more visually appealing. Click on the chart in your slide to activate the Chart Design tab at the top. In this tab, you'll see several customization options. First, click on Change Colors. This allows you to quickly apply different color schemes to your chart. You can choose from monochromatic palettes or multicolor variations, depending on your presentation style. Simply hover over the options to preview the changes live and click the one you prefer. Next, click on Change Style. This gives you professionally designed chart layouts with different backgrounds, grid line styles, and visual effects. Hover over each style to preview how it looks on your slide, and then click to apply the one that best matches your presentation theme. And that's it. You've successfully embedded an Excel chart into a PowerPoint slide, edited the data, and customized the design to make it presentation ready. Using charts effectively can make your slides more engaging, more professional, and much easier for your audience to understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.